Hey guys, I've got a really cool recipe for you today. This one is a tart. It's a no-bake chocolate tart that's vegan and paleo. It's a great one for entertaining and it's all done in the Vibe blender. First, I'm gonna make up the base for the tart, but before I blend up those ingredients, I've just greased an 8-inch tart tin with some coconut oil. First, I'm gonna add a cup of nuts, and I've got a mix of pecans and almonds. Then we'll go in with 7 medjool dates that have been pitted and chopped, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Pulse the mix a few times or until it resembles a fine crumb. You might need to give the blender a scrape down in between pulses just to make it come together nicely, but once it's all done, pour it out into the tart tin and I'm just gonna press it down evenly. Press the mixture evenly into the base and up the sides, and then set it in the fridge while you make the chocolate cream. So while that tart base is setting in the fridge, I'm gonna get onto the chocolate cream filling, and we're gonna start by melting some good quality dark chocolate with some coconut cream really gently over the stove. Once the chocolate has just melted, pour the mix straight into the stainless steel blender jug, then add 7 medjool dates that have been pitted and chopped, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you can put the lid on, remove the cap, and blend it on soup mode for 60 seconds or until it's really smooth. So the base is nice and chilled now and the filling is done. All I need to do now is pour this into here and I'll set it in the fridge once again. Pour the mix in and then smooth out the top, and then you can put it into the fridge or freezer to chill. So after just a few hours in the fridge, the tart is nice and set and it's ready to serve. I'm just gonna top it with some fresh berries and we'll slice it up and see what it looks like. So that's looking amazing now. The fresh berries give it a great texture and they'll add a layer of freshness to the flavor as well. This one is perfect for entertaining, for your next special occasion, or just because. We hope you enjoyed this one today. We'd love to know how you go and what you think of it in the comments section below. Hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes coming up. And if you enjoyed this video today, then don't forget to give it a like for us, and we'll catch you again really soon with another healthy recipe.